and so she was walking around with some other parrots.
Yeah.
Parrots on her head and shoulder with a little mouse.
It's a rat.
Rat. Oh. Right here. So.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's very soft.
Yeah.
Really small too.
Yeah, it's only 5 weeks old.
5 weeks old?
Yeah.
Where did you get him from?
We run a rescue. We take in animals that need help.
Oh.
So this little ratty, someone was being pretty mean to it, so we helped them out. Same with the animals, the birds.
You guys did a great job.
Thank you. We have like 30 birds at home, so that's a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and we currently have 17 rats. So, lots of animals.
How old are the birds?
How old are the birds? The oldest one we have had was 68 years old.
Oh, 68.
Yeah, and the youngest one we have is only a couple weeks old, so lots of different ages.
Yeah. So.
Just falling asleep.
Oh. That's so cute.
Oh, baby. You're comfy.
What's his name?
This is Sniffles.
Oh, okay. How about them?
This one is Splay, and this one is Bean.
Wow.
Going for a nap. Sorry.
So what do you want to say about this video clip?
So, do the people contact you or do you contact them?
We find the people. We hunt down people that do bad things, pretty much, and we find them and we tell them off. Pretty much.
So you guys are like superheroes?
Yeah.
Not really.
Super bird lady.
Okay, all right. Thanks. And also you can introduce your channel and
Oh yeah,
also.
I have a YouTube channel and
Yeah, sure.
I have 2 of them actually. So my first one is called Dominic Watson. Yeah, and the other one is Teddy Watson. It might be a little bit hard to spell. T-H-A-D-E-D-I. And Watson. Yeah.
T-H-A-D-E. T-H-A-D-E space D-I.
Yeah, just that. So I know it's a bit hard to remember.
I'll try. I'll try my
The
best.
surname is Watson, right? W-A-T-S-O-N.
Both of my channels. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'll give them a look at.
Right. Say thank you very much to
Thank you very much.
to all.
No problem. Rat's falling asleep again.
Anything you want to say?
No, just keep up the good work.
Thank you.
And you too.
Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to
Merry
you.
Christmas.